Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video here to say, don't buy a Squatty Potty. If you don't know what a Squatty Potty is, it's this device, very simple actually. When you go to do your number 2 in the toilet, what it does is it raises your legs so that when you go number 2, things come out a lot easier. If you don't know this, we're kind of built to squat when it comes to taking care of our number 2s, and this device kind of helps put you in that more natural position so that things happen a lot quicker. It's actually a lot better for your body as well. Now, why am I saying don't buy a Squatty Potty? Guys, really all it is something that raises your legs. Here's an example of a Squatty Potty. It pushes up against the toilet. It's very obvious that you're using something for something. I don't know if you're the type of person where you don't want people asking questions of what's that thing in your bathroom, then I would actually recommend, for roughly the same price or even less, there is a stepping stool that I purchased. And the nice thing with this particular stepping stool is that you can actually fold it. So you just pick it up and it folds in half and you can just tuck it wherever. And no one's gonna ask you about a stepping stool. Hey, why do you have a stepping stool in your bathroom or behind your toilet or whatever? But never mind all that. Just the fact that the Squatty Potty does actually take up quite a bit of space in front of your toilet. If you have a smaller bathroom, then something portable like this that's quick and easy to fold and unfold is going to be a lot better for you. Next up, you should check out one of these 2 videos that are also related to pooping. It's going to change your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect.